Hi everyone, welcome back to Try This by Danielle. Remember what I mentioned last week? I'll do something like this. Straight from my mom's garden. This is called Chayote. See? There's a little bit of prickly stuff, but it's pretty soft. It's not like the rose thorn or anything like that. So check out my mom's chayote. She plants this every single year. It's totally amazing. I asked her, so how many plants does it take you to grow this massive forest in your backyard? And she said it only takes one. One, and it grows like weed. It's just all over the place. So if you look at it, look at that. Yes.
What are these?
These are those squash.
These are squash?
You know what? There's a few ways of cooking this, but I'm gonna do it the way how my mom does it. We're gonna slice it up and we're gonna stir fry it. It's easy and it's healthy too. So are you ready for this awesome, healthy, easy dish? Yeah. Okay. Very basic ingredients. What you need is 1 or 2 chayote. It's totally up to you. But I'm gonna do 1 because I'm just eating it for myself. If you want for a family, then 2 is plenty for about 4 people. Salt, oyster sauce, garlic, prepping, wasn't it? It is so easy. So now we're gonna stir fry it. Easy? Oh my goodness. Okay, so you know this is just one of the dish among Chinese dinner. You need rice and you need vegetables, you need some other type of dish too. If you watch my other videos, it will show you how to do different dishes. Right now, we have chayote. You can eat it on its own, or you can use it as part of a side dish with rice. You can cook it a little bit longer to make it softer, but I like it crunchy. That's why I didn't leave it in there too long. Yummy? Mmm. I love the flavor of it. If you have never tried this before and you want something new, introduce that to your lifestyle, you would totally love this. Give it a try and let me know what you think. For more videos, remember to subscribe and thumbs up. I'll see you next video. Bye!